In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable device or key change notifications on Instagram. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're signed in, you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to go scroll down underneath where it says how others can interact with you and select messages and story replies. Versus end-to-end encryption, select security alerts. And then where it says your device or keys change, you can select inside of here if you want to toggle that to the on position, meaning you'll receive a security alert. Do the same thing for the contact devices or keys change. So toggle it on to the right, meaning you will receive a notification. If you do not see anything in here, it means it's not currently set to give you a security alert. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.